Okay, we will learn how to find support and resistance. So this is a gold chart on a 1 minute time frame. Now I want you to turn on the line chart. Why? Because now you can see the spikes very easily. Now let's understand what support and resistance are. So this time I'm not going to show you on bar replay. I will do this with you live. So you just need to find this pattern on the chart, right? Anybody can remember this easily. Now I will make it even easier for you. So see here what is happening. Price is going down from this zone. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times and then breakout. So what you need to find is price rejecting from resistance or support at least 3 times. Why 3 times? Because I'm telling you to do it. Don't doubt me. Now if I remove this zone, will you be able to spot this pattern? Yes, very easily, right? Now you know step 1, turn on line chart. Step 2, find 3 time rejection or support on the sell side. Now see here, we can see some pattern. Price goes up, comes back, goes up again, and on the 3rd time you see rejection, you will be alert for a trade, or I should say ready to make money. Now here just draw this support zone and add this tool to your favorite list. So here you will draw a zone like this and wait for breakdown. You see here also our target gets hit. Why? Because this is a gold mine. If you start seeing charts from my eyes, you can literally see money in your bank account. So you follow my line chart rule, you follow my 3 time rejection rule. Now it's time to follow the risk management rule. What does risk management say? Again simple. This is one of the reasons you are not profitable. But don't worry. Now I am here. Now I am telling you to follow 1 to 2 risk reward strictly until you start being profitable. Now what do I mean by profitable? Until you make your first $1,000 profit, you will not go beyond or below 1 to 2. Set the benchmark. After that you will be smart enough to manage your risk accordingly. So turn on the candlestick chart. Now entry candle is also important. See here we have 3 red candle closes. So we can say if we enter here. Now put your stop loss at the last pullback. Now again you can switch to line chart, but I know you are smart. You can see this is the last move from where price gets rejected. Now set 1 to 2 target and wait for your stop loss or target. I set stop loss first because you know it's my system. It will give results, but you also need to know the term called win rate because this will not work 10 out of 10 trades. So be prepared for those 3 trades which you will lose out of 10. So you will not hold your loss when you see negative digits. Now let me show you more examples. So here we have 3 time rejection, trade taken on bullish green candle. Now I am assuming you know basic candle knowledge. Comment if you don't or want to know which candles I use to take trades because there are 15-20 candle styles, but I only use 4-5. Now moving forward, again we have 3 time rejection and then target. Here also see how simple it looks. We are not using any indicator, just a simple system. Now I wanted to show you a stop loss trade also, but I think the video is getting too long. So I am giving you an assignment. Do backtesting on any stock, crypto or forex chart. Just follow my steps. First, line chart. Second, 3 time rejection. Third, 1:2 risk reward. And you will see massive changes in your trading. Now what's the assignment? You have to backtest and find at least 20 trades from this strategy. Take screenshots and submit them to our members only channel on Instagram. And not only will you have proof that this is working, but you will also have confidence to take trades when it appears on your chart. So see you in the next video.